things about exploring Texas is the many interesting places you can find just off the beaten path. On this adventure, we head to Stonehenge II, located in Ingram, Texas, about 1 hour north of San Antonio. The sculpture was relocated to its current location at the Hill Country Art Foundation from 2011. In addition to the main sculpture, there are 2 Moai statues at the installation, based on those found on Easter Island, which were also created by Al using the same techniques. Stonehenge II is quite an impressive sight to see. Although it is only about 2/3 the size of the original version and not oriented towards the sun as the original was, it is also crafted largely from steel and concrete rather than solid stone. Near to Stonehenge II is the Duncan McCashin Visual Arts Center. Unfortunately, the center was closed for our visit, but the center boasts a wide array of sculptures outside, which are wonderful to see and explore. If you enjoyed this adventure, please like and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and sign up for notifications to be the first to see our latest video. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next adventure.